Before you view our video, take a moment to subscribe our channel, then tap the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new video. 13 weeks pregnant, what to expect? By week 13, your baby has grown to about 7 centimeters long, or the size of a peach. The good news? Your placenta is fully developed and you can get ready to announce your pregnancy. Here's what else to expect at 13 weeks pregnant. What's my baby doing at 13 weeks pregnant? At the moment, your baby's head still makes up about half the size of her body and her eyelids are fused shut to protect her eyes for the next few months. During week 13, your little one will start developing bones in her arms and legs, and her intestines, which up until now have been growing inside the umbilical cord, will move to their permanent address in your baby's abdomen. This week the placenta is also growing, and getting ready to feed and nourish your fetus for the next few months. Your baby will also now start developing his or her reproductive organs, but it's probably too soon to see this on an ultrasound just yet. Another cute development this week, your little one's vocal cords, something we're sure she'll use frequently once she's born. What is my body doing at 13 weeks pregnant? As you reach your second trimester, symptoms such as morning sickness and exhaustion should begin to abate. By now, your placenta will be fully developed, but will continue to grow in size throughout your pregnancy. Your baby is connected to it via the umbilical cord, through which your baby gets enough oxygen and nutrients. Yet the placenta also has an important role in getting rid of waste products such as carbon dioxide and producing many of the important hormones needed for your baby's development. It might not be very pretty to look at, but it does a truly amazing job for your baby. This week, you might see the first signs of that baby bump. It usually shows up between 12 and 16 weeks, but this completely depends on your body and your baby. A showing bump can be one of the biggest pregnancy excitements, and you can now get ready to announce you're expecting. 13 weeks pregnant symptoms. More energy. At last. Now the placenta is taking over, you should feel like you've got a bit more of a spring in your step. Consider using this energy and adding some exercise to your routine, but don't go mad. Constipation. We've mentioned this before, but during pregnancy those all-important hormones create some unwanted side effects, and this is one of them. Your bowel muscles relax, meaning they are less effective at moving things along, which can leave you feeling pretty uncomfortable. Our top tips? Add some high-fiber snacks to your diet. Fruit, vegetables and whole grains are good options. Heartburn. Another one that is very common and probably won't ease up anytime soon. During pregnancy, the muscle at the top of the stomach relaxes, which allows digestive acid to rise and cause that familiar burning in the chest. Stay away from spicy or fatty foods and keep those antacids handy. Visible veins. You might not like them, but these are super important during pregnancy and are a sign of the increased blood supply to your growing baby. Discharge. This thin, milky, mild-smelling or odorless discharge is another perfectly normal symptom, caused by the production of estrogen during pregnancy. Its job is to protect the birth canal from infection and keep it healthy during pregnancy, so don't worry about using special wet wipes to clean it away. The downside is it can cause a mess of your favorite underwear. Wear a thin panty liner around this time.